Hi everyone, welcome to a box break of 2011-2012 Ultimate Collection NHL Hockey by Upper Deck, brought to you by Riddler99. 4 cards per pack. We're going to do a few of these boxes. We're going to do one today, or at least one right now in this video. So let's get started. Here's UPC code. Oh, it's hard to see with the glare. Focus. Okay. Seal box. Let's rock and roll. The rest of these boxes, I'm going to be doing box breaks and stuff like that. So if people want to get in on that, they can message me, and I can tell them how. One pack, nothing else. All right, let's get into this one. Okay, first card, number out of 399, base, Jaromir Jagr, Philadelphia Flyers. Maybe I'll move those so people can see that. Drop anything. Second card, Ultimate Rookies, out of 399, Stu Bickel, New York Rangers. Third card, decoy. Not really a card, but is it? Fourth card, Team Canada Ultimate Signatures, Braden Shen. Hard signed auto. Numbered out of? Not numbered, actually. It's just, I think it's numbered. Nope. Just out of nothing, actually. It's USBS. And the fourth card, which actually goes to my personal collection, is Ultimate Trios jerseys of Taylor Hall, Jordan Eberle, and Magnus Paajarvi out of 25. Number 8 out of 25. So, there we have it. One box of Ultimate. If anybody wants to join in on a break, we're going to be running them over eBay, as well as I'll be doing them off my site, Riddler99.com. Okay? Have a good day, everybody.